In this video, I will talk about gathering or pre-writing techniques to help you generate ideas for topics you will write about in this class for your different essay assignments. We're going to discuss clustering and mapping, free writing, listing, answering questions, and then talk about reading. The first example is an example of a cluster or a map, and for this example, you start with a general topic or idea you're interested in writing about. Put it somewhere usually in the middle of the page. My general topic or idea is the local ia, which is a fish pond. And I have this divided into different categories: history, restoration, and types. So the idea with the map or the cluster is to come up with as many ideas related to your topic as possible and just branch off from those ideas. So from these categories, I have subcategories. And you can get as detailed and specific as you want. Again, the point is to include as much information or ideas about your topic as you can. As an example, under types, one specific type I listed is local kalo. And then to branch off from that, this is a combination of fish and kalo. And then to branch off from that idea, this occurs in a raised flooded terrace. With a map or a cluster, you can use whatever shapes you like, you can add colors, whatever your preference is. But again, the idea is that you want to generate as many ideas as possible so that when you go to the next step in the writing process, you can organize those ideas into something that will help you then write a rough draft. The next example is just a free write. And with the free write, you want to write down any and all ideas that pop into your mind that are related to your topic. Don't worry about spelling, grammar, punctuation. You don't have to worry about putting the ideas in any type of order. You just want to list as many ideas as you can related to your topic. And again, this technique is designed to help you generate ideas and information about your topic so that you have something to work with when you go to the next stage, which is outlining or shaping. The next example is a list, and it's pretty straightforward. You just create a list of any information that's related to your topic. If you like making to-do lists, this is probably a good technique for you to use. So again, you just make your list. You can make it more detailed. You can, maybe add more specific information under the different numbered items in your list. But again, you're just simply listing ideas related to your general topic. This is an example of answering questions. So you might try writing a list of questions about your general topic. Again, this example is for local ia, fish ponds. So I have some different examples of questions that you might want to ask, and then answer these questions to help generate more information or ideas about your topic. This is a really great way to discover how much information you already know about your topic, and then maybe specific areas that you need to research a little bit more about your topic. And the areas you find that you need to research a little bit more will help tie into the next and last pre-writing technique that we are going to talk about today, which is reading. For example, if you ask in question number 10, what mo'olelo should I know to help me learn about local ia? Then if you can't think of any specific mo'olelo or stories, then that's an area you should research and read about. This concludes our video. If you have any questions about any of the pre-writing techniques that I discussed in this video, please let me know, and I am happy to help provide more information for you.